Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new 2024 GMC Canyon Denali Volcanic Red Tintcoat paint with a Jet Black and Teak interior. Under the hood you have a 2.7 liter turbo paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some features you can expect to find includes having heated and cooling seats with a heated steering wheel, heads-up display, power sunroof, wireless charging, and so much more. Let's go take a look. First, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior. You can see the Jet Black and Teak color scheme on the door panel as well as along the dash at the front of the vehicle, center console, and the seats. Storage on the bottom and center of the door panel with power windows, mirrors, and locks, memory settings as well. On the panel next to the steering wheel, you have some interior lighting control and trailer brake controller. Black leather bucket seating with Denali etching at the top of the seat. You can see the teak colored cross-stitching pattern as well as the accents on the side of the seat. Power controls with lumbar support on the side. Inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control and forward collision alert, while the right has voice recognition, steering wheel audio controls, your heated steering wheel, and your display changer in front of you. There are a few different displays that you can cycle through, depending on your preference and what you would prefer to see shown in front. The entertainment display has your wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, cameras that you can look through here. Open that up. You'll have several different options along the bottom there. Settings for the vehicle and the display itself, climate controls digitally. Below the screen you'll find your dual zone climate control. These are the physical buttons. So you'll have your fan speed, temperature gauges on either side, air conditioning controls, as well as your heated and cooling seats for the driver and the passenger. Push to start is just to the left of that. Below the screen and climate control settings, you'll have a few more options, including your automatic start and stop, your lane keep assist, a few outlets just above the wireless charging pad, which you can use as a storage compartment at the front there as well. Next to the shifter, you have your drive mode selector and electronic parking brake, a dual cup holder just in front of the center console here, which you can open that up for way more storage space on the inside. Up top, you have the rear view mirror, of course. You also have some interior lighting controls and the power controls for the sunroof located above you. And in front of the passenger, the glove box, which is quite spacious. So there's some storage space in the front of the vehicle if you need it. Moving on, we'll go ahead and take a look at the exterior. You have that Volcanic Red Tintcoat paint, red GMC emblem in the center of the chrome grille, gray accent along the bottom of the front bumper, LED headlamps, aluminum wheels with GMC center caps, chrome mirror caps with your blind spot indicator at the front, chrome door handles with keyless entry, and the chrome assist steps that run along the side. At the back, you have the corner step rear bumper for easier access into the back, and the red GMC emblem above the chrome Denali nameplate in the center of the tailgate. You also have the Canyon nameplate in the corner. We'll open up the tailgate. You have plenty of storage space in the back here, cargo tie-down locations at each corner, as well as having onboard power. And the easy lift tailgate makes it super easy to close when you're all done. Finally, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior in the rear. You have the same Jet Black and Teak color scheme that you had in the front, magazine holders on the backs of the seats, black leather seating here as well. The center will fold down for cup holders for the rear passengers. You have the handle on the side here that unlocks the seats. You can lift those up, giving you access to the under seat storage and more storage space in the back. You can pull the handle again to lower the seat back down. And on the back of the center console, you have your 2 cup holders and a couple of outlets for the rear passengers to use. Thanks so much for joining me as we took a look at a new 2024 GMC Canyon Denali. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more video reviews just like this one, and we hope to see you in the near future.